Hello everyone, Trendline Forex here with another video analysis. It's 17th of June and today we're gonna have a look at Bitcoin, right? So we've got some pretty big moves happening right here. That's what we're gonna talk about. I'm gonna share with you what my thoughts are, where I think we're gonna see price next. And from there you can possibly adjust your analysis and know what to expect from the market. So this is the 4-hour time frame. What we spoke about last week, every Friday I share a video on Bitcoin here on this channel. So if you haven't watched it, make sure to do so. There's going to be a pop-up link in the upper right hand corner. You can click on that. But what I talked about last week was price possibly reaching 20k. That's exactly where it is now, right? The only thing was that I didn't expect for this to happen in such a quick manner, right? I thought we're going to see a push down, we're going to see some pullbacks, another leg to the downside, another pullback, and then eventually we will reach 20,000 level. Instead of that, we saw a sharp drop with about 10,000, and last week we were trading up here around those levels, and this week on Friday we're currently trading at 20,500, which pretty much completed my analysis. Alright, so like I said, I'm going to share with you what I think is going to happen next. Now first I'm going to drop down to the hourly chart and we're going to have a look at this situation right here. Although we did have a drop by 10,000 in a matter of week, what we see right here is price forming a bottom. We've got a little bit of a pullback, we've got another lower low, we've got another pullback, and we're currently trading at the levels of this previous low, right? So to me that indicates that this move is kind of slowing down and we could expect some retracement pretty soon. All right, so what I'm going to be looking for is for probably another lower low, maybe even another one, but what I'm going to be looking for is signs of exhaustion, and I want to see a nice pullback before the next leg to the downside. All right, because I actually think price will continue even lower. So what we're going to be looking for is for a pullback towards the level of around 25,000, maybe even 26,000. Okay, and then we're going to be looking for that next push lower, which I think will be below the 20,000 level. So to be even more specific, I actually think that as price is going down in the next few days, right, we're going to see that push higher, which is going to be the beginning of the pullback right here. Most likely we're going to see the market breaking above those previous highs just to trick a lot of market participants, because we need the market to accumulate more orders so it can gain more momentum to the downside. And a lot of people will enter long positions here, and as soon as price probably breaks above those highs at some point around, again, those levels that I just mentioned, 24, 25k, we're going to see that reversal happening. There's going to be new orders, new sell orders as well at those higher levels, and we're going to see the next leg lower. Okay, and so if we go back to the 4-hour time frame, right, let's have a look at what are the next potential levels. Right, so this is the analysis that I am expecting to develop here. We're looking at this downside move. We reached the 20k level. I'm looking for a little bit of a pullback now and then a continuation lower. Okay, so this right here is the daily time frame, and looking at the bigger picture, I think we can gain clearer idea of what I'm possibly looking for. Right, so we are in this downtrend. Okay, and we've got this initial move to the downside, a massive bearish run. Okay, we then have a pullback, and that's where I placed my fib expansion level to find out where the next targets are. And that's when we spoke about price potentially reaching 26k first. Right, that was the first target that we looked at. What happened next was this target was completed. Price went down all the way down to 26k, and that's where we placed our fib expansion again. Right, we had the market touching that level of 26k, then we had a little bit of a pullback, we placed our fib expansion, and we're looking at the next levels. All right, the next one on this most recent pullback is 18,000. That's where I think we're going next. All right, but I'm not really sure if that's going to be the bottom before the next bullish run. I actually think we might go even lower. Okay, so looking at the first initial move again, right? We've got this downside move, we've got the pullback, we've got our fib expansion level, and the first target of this move was 26k. However, we've also got a second target, right, which is at 12,200. And it makes sense that price could go there, because before a market reversal, before a trend reversal, we normally see, price kind of exhausting and losing strength, right? So we've got the first initial downside move, we've got the next leg to the downside, right, which is smaller than this first one. Then we've got the pullback, and I'm expecting to see another leg to the downside, which should reach that 12,200 level, and it's going to be a third move to the downside, which is going to be smaller than this previous one. And again, this previous one is smaller than the first one. Okay, and then I believe at some point right around here is when we're actually going to see a trend reversal and market going back to the upside. Okay, and so there's a lot of signs that shows that there's a lot of strength to the downside. First of all, throughout last week, again, we had a drop in price with about $10,000, which is a massive move. All right. Also, looking at the rest of the pairs, especially the majors, what we see now is a short-term weak dollar. So that means we actually see pullbacks on the rest of the instruments. But looking at Bitcoin, especially here on the hourly, the 4-hour time frame, instead of pullbacks, what we see is just price kind of slowing down, but not creating any pullbacks. Okay, so that is another sign that there's more selling pressure rather than buying orders. Okay, so for those of you that are long-term holding into crypto, although I am expecting that there's going to be another drop and price could possibly reach 12k, at some point we are going to see that reversal. So if you can hold, then that's perfect. If you're trading crypto actively, depending on what time frame you're looking at, as you're going lower and lower, I'm actually expecting to see that pullback happening to around, again, 24, 25, possibly even 26k, basically for price to retest that previous level right here. And then I think we're going to see 18,000 next, and possibly even 12,000. Alright, so that's pretty much what I'm expecting. If you guys like this video analysis, if you find them helpful, make sure to check out the links below this video. You can subscribe to our email newsletter. You're gonna receive an update on Bitcoin on Monday, and if not, then subscribe to this channel. Every Friday I release a video like this on Bitcoin. Sometimes I include Ethereum as well. What we do also is on Monday we send out a video for EURUSD, on Wednesday a video on gold. And by the way, speaking about gold, we've actually had to adjust our analysis here. So if you are interested, get in touch with me via Telegram. Again, links in the description below this video. If you want to join our premium channel, you can do so. Check out our website, trendlineforex.com. In our premium channel, I actually send out a video analysis on my watch list from Monday to Friday every morning. Alright, that's all. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to watch our last 2 videos where you can find more valuable information. Check out our channel for more trading related videos. I wish you all a successful trading, and I'll see you next time.